At the outset, I would like to place my appreciation for Spark to choose a topic which is very relevant in today's context, that is inner tranquility leading research for a perfect world. When we talk about the perfect world, it must have equality for all human beings, the freedom to speech, peace, happiness. But as on today, there is no peace anywhere. What is required is that there are certain peaceful countries which are relatively having peace, like Canada, Australia, Sweden, and some other European, Scandinavian country. But otherwise, if you see whether in the South China Sea or Middle East, there is atmosphere of unpeace. So what is happening is that normally an individual, if he is peaceful, he will make a peaceful family, peaceful society, and peaceful world. That is from individual. But here to gain peace, one has to follow a path of top to bottom. That is, if the leaders of the world they follow peace, their ambitions, their ego, expansion, if it is not there, then there will be peace in the world. So it is not that by weapons or by any other fights, war, the peace can happen. The peace can only happen if they change their mind, as it happens in case of Ashoka. After Kalinga's war, he developed a kind of feeling that yes, there should be a peace, spirituality, and based on that, he followed the Buddha's religion, and not only he followed himself, but he spread it all over the world. Similar kind of thing must to be done these days. Of course, Brahma Kumari's spiritual university is doing with its centers all over the world, is doing a yeoman job to transform human being into a peaceful individual. And likewise, India has given yoga to the world, but something is to be done on a very large scale. And if we talk about the research, and since this our Spark wing is associated with research, we have to have a kind of research how to change the mind of leaders of the world, that they leave policy of expansion, policy of hatredness, policy of supremacy, policy of egos, and then only peace can happen. Now they have to fight with the other things, natural calamities like flood, earthquake, hurricane, like that. So I really, if we talk about the inner tranquility, a leading research for peaceful for the perfect world. So now, how to cause inner tranquility amongst these people? That is to be thought of. If we can do that, then with the perfect. We can lead towards a perfect world. That is our aim and goal, to have a perfect world. And as on today, there is no perfect world. It may take some times. We must see the ground reality. So this. The members or the researchers associated with Spark Wing must put their mind how to influence a peace on those peoples, because the Brahma Kumaris has been successful in changing minds of criminals. So a way out has to be found out so that there could be a lasting peace in the world. Om Shanti.